Hello dear students, welcome back to Mathematics Bridge course classes. Here in this video we are going to discuss about quadratic equation. In last class we have discussed about main branches of mathematics. What is the rule for sign in mathematical operation? How to solve the mathematical problem by using the BODMAS rule, how to find the LCM and HCF of the given number. These things we have to discuss about the in previous videos, but in this video we will go to learn about quadratic equation. Already this concept have studied in SSLC, but this is the most important basic things when you are going to in the higher education, which will be help, no doubt it. But in particularly for study about the first PUC and second PUC, this concept is very important. Okay, so what about quadratic equation? The first we see the definition of the quadratic equation. So definition of quadratic equation: a quadratic polynomial f of x is equal to 0. We called as quadratic equation. So I repeat once again: a quadratic polynomial. What type of? The quadratic polynomial f of x is equal to 0. We called as what? Quadratic equation. That is, f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. A, b and c are belongs to real numbers or real numbers. Okay, this is the definition of the quadratic equation. This easy to understanding the definition of quadratic equation. We will go to the some examples on the quadratic equation. From the given definition we got three things. One is polynomial. Okay, and second thing is quadratic. Okay, third thing is equation. Okay, we have to understanding these three concepts, then the definition will be clarified. So what about the quadratic equation? If you know that the quadratic equation, these three concepts are very important for understanding. Okay, so what about polynomial? The word it says that polynomial. Poly means many, nominal means terms, many, the expression involving many terms. This is a general statement of the polynomial, but actual definition of polynomial is what? An expression, an algebraical expression of the form, that is what? a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3 x cube plus up to an x raised to n, where n is natural number. So this form is called as what? Or this algebraical expression we called as what? Polynomial. Polynomial, poly, many, nominal means term, the expression which involve many terms, that is nothing but what? Polynomial. Okay, this is a polynomial. Then in the polynomial there are three types. So first one, linear polynomial. Okay, and second one, quadratic polynomial, and third one, cubic polynomial. That is the point to be noted, quadratic polynomial. This is important because that the word it is there in the quadratic equation definition. So quadratic polynomial. So already I know that polynomial, the expression involving the many terms, that is nothing but polynomial. So this type of the expression we called as what? Polynomial. In the polynomial there are three types. So linear polynomial andre the polynomial of degree 1. The polynomial of degree 1 is nothing but what? Linear polynomial. So for example, here it is 4x plus 2. This is a linear polynomial. Polynomial of degree is 2. So how to calculate the degree? The expression involving variable term, the highest power of the variable term is nothing but what? Degree of the polynomial or degree of that expression. That expression we call as what? Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. Suppose the polynomial of degree is 1, that we call as what? Linear polynomial. In the given example, so highest degree of the variable is x. The power of the x is 1. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 1. Or polynomial of degree is 1 is nothing but what? Linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. The first we know that quadratic. So quadratic word has been derived quadrats. Quadrat it means what? The quadrats. Quadrat it means square, that is 2. Square is nothing but what? That is a root of the equation, that is a quadratic equation. So quadratic, the word has been derived quadrat it means square. Here it is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, the polynomial of the degree 2 is nothing but quadratic polynomial. Suppose here consider example. (4x square plus 3x minus 2). This is what? Polynomial. We know check that whether the given polynomial degree is 1, 2, 3 or any like that. So how to calculate the degree? Highest power of the variable in the given expression is called as what? That is degree. Okay, suppose here it is a variable is x. So power of the x is 1 and here power of the x is 2. So 1 or 2, that is 2 is the highest. Therefore highest power of the variable of x in the given expression is 2. Therefore this is a quadratic polynomial. The polynomial of the degree 2 is nothing but what? Quadratic polynomial. When this expression, this quadratic polynomial equal to this expression, this quadratic polynomial, when equate to 0, then we called as what? Quadratic equation. We called as what? Quadratic equation. So one more things will be clarifying what equation? What about equation? Equation, suppose here sum of 7 and 8. How can to write 7 plus 8? And now we are going to sum of a number and 9. How can to write x plus 9? Okay. And here sum of a number and 10 is equal to 15. How can to write x plus 10 is equal to 15. Okay, what you observe here, the sum of 7 and 8, we can to write 7 plus 8, sum of a number and 9, we can to written x plus 9, and sum of a number and 10 is equal to 15. We can to write x plus 10 is equal to 15. So, the looking at these three statements, first one and second one are the expressions. These are the expressions. Are you agree? Next, the third one is equation, because in that expression which contains the symbol equal, the symbol equal which equate the from left and right side, that nothing but what? Equation. So in same, the example of the quadratic equation, quadratics, this is a quadratic, that is a quadratic polynomial, because the degree of this polynomial is or polynomial of degree 2. This is what? This is a quadratic polynomial equate to. This is an expression. This expression can equate to 0. Okay, then equate to 0 is nothing but what? Quadratic equation. Okay, dear students, in this video we have just to discuss about the what it mean by quadratic equation. Okay, you know, understanding the definition of quadratic equation, first you know about the polynomial, what about quadratic polynomial, and what about the equation. These three things you have to understood, then ultimately you can understand the definition of the quadratic equation, no doubt it. So in next video we will discuss about the how to find the solution of the quadratic equation. Thank you for watching this video.